Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to be reading this passage called Citrus in Florida. While we read, please look for the main topic of this text and try to find two key details that support that main topic. Here we go. Florida is famous for its oranges. Most of Florida has sandy soil and a sunny climate, which is perfect for growing citrus. The state also produces grapefruit and tangerines. These citrus fruits grow in groves in southern Florida. Most of the country's orange juice is created in Florida. You can visit an orange grove near you if you live in Florida. On your drive there, what wildlife would you see on the side of the road? Florida's state flower is the orange blossom. Did you think of the main topic of this text? If you did, say it out loud. What is the main topic? What I chose for the main topic is the word citrus. I know it talks about oranges a lot, so that might be a main topic too. But I chose citrus because I saw it 2 times in the text, and I saw it in one really important spot. Up at the top, that's called what? Yeah, the heading. I saw it in the heading. So I decided the main topic of this text was citrus. Now, I saw citrus was a darker word. That means it's a bolded word. That text feature tells us that this word is important and it might be something that we don't know. So you can always go to the glossary to tell you what that word means. Or you can use context clues. That means reading the words around it to figure out what that word means. So the word is citrus. Let's read around the word citrus to figure out what it means. Most of Florida has sandy soil and a sunny climate, which is perfect for growing citrus. So citrus is something we grow. The state also produces grapefruit and tangerines. I wonder if that has something to do with citrus. These citrus fruits grow in groves. So citrus fruits, grapefruit and tangerines and oranges must be citrus. So that's what citrus means. It's all of those types of fruits. Good job using our context clues. 2 other words are bolded. That is the word climate. And before the word climate, it says sunny. Sunny climate. That must mean what the weather is like. Because when I describe the day as sunny, I am describing the weather. So sunny climate, climate is how the weather is for a long period of time. The weather affects us a lot in Florida. Because we always have a sunny climate, we're able to go to the beach all the time. Almost all year round we can go to the beach. And the weather causes fruits like oranges and grapefruits to grow, along with other fruits like sugar cane and tomatoes and lots of other types of fruits. The next bolded word I see is groves. These citrus fruit grow in groves in southern Florida. I see the word grove one more time. You can visit an orange grove near you. So a grove is a place you can visit that grows oranges. So it must just be a farm, right? Farm is where you grow things. But it's a grove because it grows oranges. So now let's find 2 key details. Pause the video and find 2 key details that support our main topic of citrus fruits. All right, let me tell you the 2 I found. The first one I found was the state also produces grapefruit and tangerines. those are two of the citrus fruits that I was talking about. The next key detail I found was most of the country's orange juice is created in Florida. I thought this was really key because it affects the whole country and it has everything to do with what grows in Florida, citrus. Now let's move over to our map. We've been talking all about maps and all of the elements that go on a map. So I'm just going to review real quick the elements on this map. Do you see the map title? What is it called? Here's the map title. It's Map of Florida. Can you find the compass rose? You should know what it looks like by now. There's the compass rose. It's supposed to look kind of like a rose. A circle with some pretty leaves. On that compass rose, we have 4 letters. What are those letters? What do we call them? This one, this one, this one, and this one. What are those called, and what do they stand for? Those are cardinal directions. Say it with me. Cardinal directions. North, east, south, and west. They tell you where you're going on a map. Next, we have symbols. Can you find some symbols on the map? Touch them on your screen. Let's see if you found them. Here's all of the symbols. Symbols tell us what sort of things are on the map. We put symbols on the map and then we also put them on our map key. So you see symbols 2 times on the map. On the map and on the map key. On the map, it tells you where the symbols are and what they stand for. And on the map key, it tells you what the symbols stand for. So that squiggly line is a body of water. And that is under the Gulf of Mexico and the Atlantic Ocean. Remember those because those are really important. Say them with me. Gulf of Mexico and Atlantic Ocean. And then the little dots, those stand for cities. On this map, we have Palm Harbor and Tampa. Those are both really close to our hometown of Land O'Lakes. Great job learning with me today.